Hi, and welcome to yet another webinar from DronaHQ. Today, we are going to cover a very small topic. I have with me Ronak Mehta. He has built a fabulous app, a project management app, which was a need of an hour and very quick app that he has made probably in a couple of days, within a week. And this made me think about, hey, let us explain to the audience here, how do you make a simple project management app? Yes, there are plethora of project management apps available in the market, but the objective of this webinar is to let you think that, hey, what is possible with this no-code tool? How he has made a simple app without any coding or programming skills, and how to go about making an app as simple or as complex as a project management app. Probably how agile methodology and development can be adopted very easily with the no-code tools. So a project management app, which is a very complex and a huge app in itself, we have broken down into a smaller pieces and very customized to few objectives at this moment, which will help you understand how you can go about making similar apps or same app going forward and add to it the features and the customizations that you need. Hi Ronak, welcome to this webinar.
Hi Kinjal, yep, thank you for the introduction. And yes, so today I'm going to show you the project management application which was built using DronaHQ and without any amount of coding. And I would like to mention that it was built. So whatever functionality which we are going to discuss currently, so which was built within 2 days of time. So yeah, so we are going to cover here is objectives and requirement for this particular application, and data structure, user roles in this application, and the functionality. So now let's start with the objectives and requirements. Yeah. So we wanted to achieve with this application is, visibility at one place. So regarding all the project management cycle, all the data, so everything we wanted at one place. So that's what we wanted to achieve first. Then, like we have a scattered team, like they are working from across globe. So we wanted all the data, and they from their respective places they can contribute from anywhere. So we wanted all that data in real time at one place. We also wanted to quantify all our project management efforts, all project management things which we are, you know, doing currently. So that is what, objectives we wanted to achieve while building this application. Next thing is like what we have done, what all the screens and what we have built on this. That is dashboard. So dashboard for the management and dashboard for the project managers as well. Then another functionality was project planning. So project manager will be able to plan their projects on this application, like amount of time it going to take. They can break down task in this project and assign resources for them. So in this application, and then there is resources who will get that task in their timesheet and will be able to perform assigned task. For data structure, mainly we have used two tables, and 3-4 tables are affected with this application, but we have mainly used two tables. First is project management table, and another is project planning table. So as like I told you earlier, so like we want a dashboard and we want view of all the projects. So for that, project management table is very much required and which is helpful. And when project manager plans their project and break down into tasks, assign resources, for that purpose, we would need project planning table. So here, like few of the columns which I have used in this application, I'll show you the project management and project planning table as well. But here are the few columns which we have used. So one is project name, project manager, like who are the resources for that particular project, then project stage, project completion. So these are the major main fields which any would like to see, any would like to use in their project management table. Then project planning. So what are the tasks, task ETA, like how much time it will take, and task status, resources assigned to that task. So that is, major requirement which we would need. So basically, this is a kind of data structure which we have thought of and we worked on. Yeah, users role. So first of all, management. So as we wanted to build a dashboard to bird eye view for all the project planning, project processes. So that is for management. So management here can see all project status, their performance, uh, then completion status, and it also gives them a number of total efforts sold versus effort planned versus actual efforts taken by the resources while developing particular project. So that is very much required information for the management. Apart from that, for project managers, they can view their entire all the projects which is given to them, so they can view, update, edit its status, its planning, everything. So they plan a project in, so they can define task, how much time it's going to take, and all the details about task. Then they can assign resource to that particular task, like who is going to do that task, and after that they'll be able to view and they'll get notification as well once task is completed by particular resources. So this is what project manager can do in this particular application. And then there is resource. So resource is not directly using this application, but resource also like attached to this application. So how they come into picture is that, so once project manager assigns some task, resources will get the notification that a task is assigned to you with all the details, and a resource will able to select that particular task in their timesheet, and they will be able to fill their timesheet. So like this, resources are also aligned with this entire project management application. So yeah, here are the list of few screens which we have developed, we have built. So one is project manager's dashboard. So their project manager will get all the details about their projects. Then project planning. So where they will plan their project, they'll define task estimated time, everything, priority, all those things. Then if they want to edit a project plan, then project edit screen is there. Then task allocation. So here they'll be able to assign tasks to particular resources. So that is task allocation screen. Then overall project dashboard. So following bottom two options are for the management. So that is overall project dashboard and overall resource dashboard. So project dashboard, as I told you, like all the required details regarding all the projects at one place, and same with the resources as well. So these are the major screens which we have developed. Workflow mainly used in this particular application is uh, update sheet, notification. As of now, we are going ahead. We are going forward. We'll be able to we will use Slack as well into our workflow for notifying a particular managers or particular resources regarding the update. So we are going to use Slack as well in future. Yeah. So now I'll quickly show you the builder view, and also after that I'll show you the application. So this is our studio builder. So here you can see project planning app. So which is project planning app is already open. And I'll also quickly show you the two tables which we discussed earlier, like what are the columns and how that tables look. So first of all, yeah, so this is project management table. So here, name of the customer, name of the uh, project, then status of the project, stage, project manager, resources in that project, etc., etc. So these are the main columns which we have used for your project management table. Then there is another important table is project estimation. So this is nothing but a project planning table for the project managers. So every project got unique project ID over here, and these are the tasks for all those projects. There is task status, task ETA, priority, and resource assigned to that task. So these are the important columns for project planning uh, module for project managers. So these two are the major table. I'll also show you the builder view. So these are the major screens which we have used. So there is project dashboard, then project planning, set dependency, task allocation, edit project plan, resource view. So this screens which we have used for this particular application. So I'll also show you the workflow, couple of workflow. So here one is update sheet and another is email, which we have used from our workflow. So when task is assigned to resources by project manager, so this is the workflow. So it matches with project ID in our project estimation sheet, task in project estimation sheet, and it updates resources in resource column and state as assigned. So this is how resource is assigned against particular task by project manager. So this workflow help us to achieve that. And once task is assigned to particular resource, so here that resource will get email notification and notification in their application that so and so project, so and so task description is assigned to you. So after that, they start working on that and they select that task in their timesheet and fill it. So this workflow help us to notify resource regarding the task. Yeah. So these are the major screens which we have used. And in same application, same screen, we have given different rights to different users. So here you can see two different menus. So one is above, one is for the project manager, and bottom two is for the management. So I'll show you how we achieve that. So here we have used conditions for that, show and hide for menu. So if user ID is so and so, then show particular thing or else hide. So only someone logs in or user ID is matching with the condition applied over there, then this is visible, or else it is hidden. Now I'll quickly take you through the application itself. So this is as a project manager. Let's say I logged into application. So this is my first landing screen. So I'll be able to see all my projects. I'll able to see their stages. It is on track, off track, how it is, total estimated efforts for that project, start date for that projects, and required things. As soon as I select particular project, now here I'll get planning of that project, which is done by me as a project manager. So these are the tasks needs to be done to complete that project. So here also we'll get lots of details about particular projects. So priority resources assigned to particular task, then start date, status of that task, total ETA, and percentage completion. So this information as a project manager I get as soon as I logged into my application. So this is very handy, right? So I get all the details of my projects and detailed view of particular project as well, with the status of completion, pending, etc., etc. So here also I get completion rate. So I have completed 38.90% particular project. So this is as a project manager. This is my dashboard for the project. Then I'll show you task allocation. So here I need to select project for which I want to allot a task. So task is already added over here for this particular project. Here I need to select resource. This is description pre-filled when I defined this particular task. So this description was defined. So this is pre-filled, and task ETA also pre-filled. Now this resource is selected. I just need to submit button. So this particular task or particular project will be assigned to this resource, and he'll also get the notification once assigned. So this is task allocation. Now I'll show you the dashboard. So here you can see two different menus. So I am able to see management view as well. So this is this two of the dashboard for the management view, and project managers will only able to see above menu. So I'll quickly show you the overall project dashboard. So here what we get is total projects, their status, on track, delayed. In this particular card, we get the details like project name. This is initials of project manager. This is project status, estimated efforts by pre-sales team, then effort planned by the project manager, and actual efforts taken by the resources to develop that project. So that is visible over here. Then project stage and estimated timeline. So here we get all the details of management can view all projects at a single screen with its status and all required details. So this is our project dashboard for the management. Similarly, there is resource dashboard. So what details we get over here is on resource dashboard. We have used mail ID because it is unique. So like a resource, we get a mail ID of the resource, then department, a skill set of the resource, total task assigned to that particular resource, task completed and task pending. So this is major details which we get on this page. So here management will get all their resources with total task assigned, total task pending, total task completed. So by this, management will be able to, able to get a bird eye view of performance of resources as well, and it will help in do planning regarding the project, regarding the assigning the task in future as well. So here let's say we find that total task assigned to someone is 0, then we know management can understand that like this resource is free as of now, so we can assign them particular project, particular task. So by this helps in planning as well, and this helps in evaluation of completion rate and everything as well. So this is our overall resource dashboard. So all the resources are and their status and task assigned, everything at one place. So majorly this is two dashboard for the management view, and rest of the screens which we can see over here are for the project managers and to do project planning, project editing, everything. So two part, one is a project management thing, and another is a view for the management for entire project status and resource status. So two things here we try to achieve. So these are the screens. I also like show you the tables here. So tables, builder view, and the uh, application as well. So majorly this all which we try to achieve in couple of days of time, because due to lockdown and uh, our team works from the various location, so we wanted to develop something, so our project management thing and visibility also are done smoothly. So that's why we try to create this, and definitely going forward, as I told you, we are going to add Slack notification and few other functionality as well. But as of now, this is what we develop.
Cool,
That's what,
Ronak.
yeah,
So basically, this app is developed within 2 days and available on mobile of all your
yes,
employees and also on desktop. They can access it. Great.
yes,
And
yes,
so you have iterated, as I understand, you have iterated with the features. Probably you came up with just the management or project view dashboard and then added to a resource dashboard and stuff. Um, Amazing. I can understand that agile development is possible and multi-platform availability of the application. Everything was done without single coding. Cool. Thank you so much, Ronak. It was very insightful. Kudos to you that you really came up with this quick solution customized to your need and objective in mind. And have a fantastic day. It was lovely.
yeah. Thank you. Same to you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.